Welcome to the 25.11 release. It delivers major upgrades across RealityPlatform, RealityTwin, and RealityPlan, streamlining how you upload, organize, and validate reality data. With Release 25.11, drone photogrammetry is now fully integrated into RealityPlatform. Whether you're enriching a RealityTwin with site context or capturing hard-to-reach areas, aerial and ground data sets now flow through one consistent pipeline. All point clouds, meshes, and photospheres are now combined into a single data bundle. In the redesigned 3D viewer, you can switch between or display multiple representations at the same time. Toggle point cloud, mesh, and photospheres instantly with smooth transitions that preserve your position and orientation. Organizing large twins is now much easier with zones. Create box or polyglot zones, group assets automatically, and manage metadata from a dedicated panel. Zones lets teams segment complex sites, for example, by building floor, system, or unit, to streamline navigation and improve communication during reviews. A new share link feature allows you to send collaborators directly to a specific asset inside a project. Opening the link automatically reveals the asset's 3D location and metadata, perfect for review comments, punch lists, and follow-ups. Finally, the new Orthogonal Measurement Tool provides precise perpendicular measurements to walls, floors, and other reference planes. It's ideal for engineering checks, clearances, and documenting irregular or angled surfaces with confidence. For more on Release 25.11, visit our website at Prevu3D.com. Follow us on LinkedIn for updates and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. Until next time.